The U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds will be in town, dazzling audiences for the 2025 Joint Base Andrews Air Show.
They know how to put on a show. You may have seen the Thunderbirds performing a spectacular formation over the National Mall this morning.
DC News Now's Liberty Simmons is live on base. And Liberty, how can you catch more of this exciting action in the air?
Well, Mark and Annalise, the Thunderbirds just wrapped quite an impressive show out here. Just take a look at their jets on the flight lines. They gave local students a sneak peek before the air show kicks off this weekend.
Fly high, airmen.
The legendary Air Force Thunderbirds took flight over the National Mall this morning for a formation photo shoot above the national monuments.
I'm thinking about how much time they've practiced to do this and how much skill they need to do it.
Elite pilots on base are showcasing military air power today for 2,500 students across the DMV.
I've explored a lot of different areas of STEM regarding like the aerospace stuff. To have awesome planes flying around the background of it, you couldn't ask for much more.
These kids are getting hands-on learning with exhibits encouraging careers in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, or even military aviation.
I'd like to be a fighter pilot.
This weekend, families can catch some of the best pilots in the world, wow crowds with gravity-defying moves.
As somebody who I would want to be in that seat one day, it's super inspiring to me.
Guests will also get to see performances from the Thunderbirds, U.S. Army Golden Knights, and more, pushing the limits of aviation to inspire the next generation.
Knowing that next generation is going to follow in our footsteps and hopefully just inspire the next generation, it's a huge privilege for me to be here.
So if you plan to come out this weekend, admission is free. There's also parking available at Northwest Stadium with free shuttle rides to base, and gates open at 9 in the morning. For now, live here at Joint Base Andrews, Liberty Simmons, DC News Now.